that mysterious ticking noise? Is it over here? Not over there? Kind of catchy. Sasuke, Sasuke, Uchiha Sasuke, 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 Sasuke, Kakashi, Uchiha Kakashi, Sasuke, Kakashi, 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 Sasuke, Naruto, 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 Kakashi, Naruto, Kakashi, Naruto, that's me, Naruto, 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 Kakashi, I'm Naruto, I'm Naruto. Naruto, singing our song all day long and come along.
I found a knife and it's ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yay! Orochimaru.
Where's your phone? Hey, Renji. Where's your Halloween costume? Make them mutilate it? What the heck are you supposed to do? I'm Batman. You know, from Beyond? Beyond, so excited. What? I thought it was clever. He doesn't know about stuff on the real world very much. Can I just be a pimp then? You've been that all along. Alright, next we have Choco Yaoi Rainbow Productions and their skit of The Model.